Hi! Today I'm going to demonstrate for you a simple and pretty rose card using the elegant Stampin' Up! First Frost stamp set and coordinated frosted bouquet framelits dies. Often the simplest cards are the most elegant. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 17 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand-stamped smiles. So my simple and pretty card is elegant and pretty simple to make. Here's a closer view of the elegant First Frost stamp set and coordinating frosted bouquet framelits dies. And when you order the two of these together using the special bundle item number I've listed right here, you'll save 10% on both. But this is important, only through January 2nd, 2019, because the First Frost stamp set and dies, well, they were first made available in the 2018 Stampin' Up! Holiday catalog. They will be available to purchase after that, but the bundle discount ends with the holiday catalog on January 2nd, 2019. So you'll want to make sure you order those before then because, hey, we love savings. So we're going to start with some stamping with the First Frost stamp set. I have here just some Whisper White cardstock and then this beautiful rose. Roses are my absolute favorite flowers, in particular pink roses. Now I love all flowers, but you always have to have a favorite, and pink roses are my favorite. So we're going to start with a Flirty Flamingo classic Stampin' Pad. You know, I wanted to do this in a soft color, and I did a soft color of the petal pink, and because of, well, you'll see the shading, it's like, uh-oh, I can hardly see it. So I went to one of the bolds, and it's the Flirty Flamingo. So I'm just going to flip this up, slide that in, and a quick swipe on my stamping sleeves in case I got ink on my hand doing that. All right. So here we go, ink this up and stamp. Oh, look at that shading, isn't that gorgeous? But you can see how faded it is here. Well, with that really light, subtle ink, it was just too light. But oh my goodness, this is not one of the distinctive stamps, but daggum. Sure feels like it, doesn't it? Gorgeous. Okay, so that's all we need with the Flirty Flamingo. So I'm going to take a little push from the back, pull on that lip, and then make sure that is shut, and there we go. So now what we want to do is some die cutting with the coordinating frosted bouquet framelits dies. I've got my Big Shot die cutting machine and the magnetic platform. Now this is an additional purchase to the Big Shot, but one you absolutely want if you're going to be using framelits dies. So that's the start of our sandwich. Next we need a cutting pad, and then we have our paper with our gorgeous pink rose on it, and then the coordinating framelit die. So we're gonna, oh, hey, you know what? We want better contact. Let's turn that over, get to a flat area. I didn't hear a clink. There we go, that's what we want. Okay, and so then we will frame or center this around our image. Okay. I'm thinking that's looking pretty good from where I'm sitting. We'll find out in just a second. And then to finish our sandwich, another cutting pad. Place it on top instead of scooting it, so you don't scoot the image too. And then you crank it through, and it does all of the work for you of trimming all around it just perfectly. So we've got our die cut rose and just a little bit more stamping to do. So I've got some more Whisper White cardstock, and this time we're going to use the Garden Green Classic Stampin' Pad. So again, pick that up, slide in, quick swipe. All right, and then look at this. Again, that fading. I tried that with the soft seafoam. Again, just too soft, and you'll see why in just a second. So we'll just center this on here. Absolutely gorgeous. Look how that fades out. I am crazy about this stamp set. A little push. There we go. Fantastic. You know what? Let's, while we're stamping, I have here a Whisper White medium envelope. Beautiful envelopes. It all starts with the envelope, right? A high quality envelope. And let's bring back the Flirty Flamingo. Pick that up, slide that in, and our rose stamp. And just a simple little rose down here in the corner. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So a little push and a quick swipe on my stamping sleeves, and I'll have a link under the video where you can learn more about how to use stamping sleeves so you're not smudging your cards and ruining them. Okay, look at this. So we are almost done. You won't believe it. What we're going to do is we're going to use Stampin Dimensionals to pop that up. Giving dimension just adds a lot to our cards and so simple to do with the Stampin Dimensionals. So let's do 2. There we go. And if you press with your thumbnail, it makes that backing pop up at the edge and easy to take off. I'll set that right. Doesn't that see? Doesn't that? All right, and so this card is not just a clean and simple card, it's seriously clean and simple. We're gonna layer onto some more Whisper White cardstock, and we're gonna do that with the SNAIL adhesive. SNAIL, that stands for Super Neat Affordable Inline Adhesive. And you're gonna put your finger where the ridges are, in about 1 inch in each corner. Okay, and center that on there. And then once you're happy with the placement, press. Fantastic. And now, I told you, seriously clean and simple. Look at that though. Oh my goodness. With the layers, well, we're going to make it, once again, a little bit more extra special by using Stampin Dimensionals. Here we go. And my base, it's Whisper White, but it's the Whisper White Thick. It's much heavier. And so it'll stand up well when someone puts it on their mantle, and it can handle the weight of the layers. I didn't press that one down. Let me see if I can pick this one up. I never want a Stampin' Dimensional showing from the other side. There we go. Okay, and again with our thumbnail trick. Yeah, I like them close to the edge, but not where you can see it. Not an attractive look. Fantastic. Okay, so let's go ahead and layer this right on here. And I purposely left off a greeting because now you can use this card for any occasion. This would be a beautiful birthday card, wedding card, anniversary card, thinking of you, and without a greeting, you'll be able to use it for anything you like. And then of course we have our coordinating envelope. And so I'll have a link to my blog post with all the measurements for my simple and pretty rose card. So you can duplicate this. And when you place your December 2018 Stampin' Up! Order with me of $25 or more, I'm going to send you one of my simple and pretty rose cards. If you'd like to make my pretty and simple rose card, all the supplies are listed below the video and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. But remember, the 10% savings on both the stamp set and dies are available only through January 2nd, 2019 in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.